Hello everyone. Welcome back to Yog Thermal Guru. On this channel, we explain temperature instruments, instrumentation basics, and industrial concepts in a simple and practical way. Today's topic is very important in instrumentation. Temperature indicator. In this video, you will learn what is a temperature indicator, how it works, types of temperature indicators, industrial applications. So let's start from the basic. What is a temperature indicator? A temperature indicator is an instrument used to display the temperature value of a process, equipment, or environment. It does not control temperature and usually does not transmit the signal further. Its main function is to indicate temperature clearly to the operator. The temperature can be displayed in degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit, Kelvin. Simple example. Let's understand with a simple example. A room thermometer shows room temperature. You only see the value. You cannot control the temperature using it. That device is a temperature indicator. Similarly, in industries, temperature indicators show the temperature of tanks, pipelines, furnaces, boilers. Where temperature indicators are used. Temperature indicators are used on control panels, near equipment, on field instruments. They help operators monitor process temperature, detect abnormal conditions, ensure safe operation. Working principle. A temperature indicator works in combination with a sensor. Step-by-step working. A temperature sensor, RTD or thermocouple, senses temperature. The sensor produces an electrical signal. This signal goes to the temperature indicator. The indicator processes the signal. The temperature value is displayed on the screen or dial. So remember, indicator only shows the value. It does not convert to 4 to 20 milliampere output in basic time. Types of temperature indicators. First, analog temperature indicator uses needle and scale. Mechanical or electrical, simple and rugged, used in old panels and field locations. Example, bimeter temperature indicator. Second, digital temperature indicator, shows temperature in numeric form, uses LED or LCD display, higher accuracy, easy to read, used in control rooms, electrical panels. Third, panel-mounted temperature indicator, installed on control panels, accepts RTD or thermocouple input, displays temperature continuously, very common in industries. Fourth, field-mounted temperature indicator, installed near process, rugged enclosure, used for local monitoring. Advantages of temperature indicator, simple to use, easy installation, low cost, immediate visual feedback, improves safety. Limitations, no control function, limited communication, not suitable alone for automation. That's why indicators are often used along with transmitter. Summary. Let's summarize. Temperature indicator shows temperature value. Used for monitoring only. Works with RTD or thermocouple. Available in analog and digital types. Widely used in industries. Understanding temperature indicators is a key step before learning transmitters and controllers. If this explanation helped you, please like, share and subscribe to Yog Thermal Guru. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.